Being a professor for 15 years was a blast, and these are the most important lessons I learned. To maintain momentum for my life story, I dropped the cap and gown for the next chapter.
Dr. Z here, and today we're going to be talking about Velcro and how you can use it in your personal and professional life. Whenever you're having to explain something to someone, if they're not quite getting it, don't just assume it's because the audience, they're either too slow or they're not listening or they're multitasking. It could be you're not communicating effectively. And one of the easiest tricks that I do to help explain things well or to help somebody understand something new is to treat the concept like Velcro. We learn best when we take something new that we want someone to learn and we mash it to something that someone already knows, just like Velcro. It's simple. Right? I heard an educator, a very well-awarded educator, talk about this concept, and it makes sense. And so the easiest way to do this is to learn about the person that you're talking with. So with my students and my clients, I build in questions either in conversations or in surveys that I have them fill out about what their interests are, what they love, what their passions are, how they spend their time outside of school and work. Because once I know those hobbies or those jobs that they have, I'm able to use them when I'm communicating and tie new concepts and experiences to them in a very real way. I know a lot of you can use metaphors and analogies in an extremely skillful way to explain things. So I'd challenge you to take that and put your next analogy and metaphor inside that Velcro container. Because if you're able to take a metaphor or an analogy that somebody already knows or has an interest in, I promise you they're going to learn that concept much more rapidly. So if you're having trouble explaining something, don't just create negative assumptions about that person you're trying to talk with. Try to think about explaining it in a new way and connecting that concept with something the person already knows. Now go turn that idea into action.